I'm here with Vanessa Liu, Senior Product Designer at Squarespace.
Hi, yeah, it's been super heartwarming to see all the positive, fun reactions from all of our new product releases. We know that for Circle members, expression and flexibility is really important when it comes to building websites for your own personal projects and your client work. And we know that Squarespace is a design tool, so we want to push its capabilities and really make sure that the vision, the creative vision that you have can be brought to life directly on Squarespace, which is why we came out with block transforms, which means now you can do a lot of different things to the content on your site. You can rotate images and buttons. You can skew them into the horizontal and vertical dimensions. You can offset them so that they're a little bit cropped off the screen, really great for use cases like stickers and things that are peeking in. You can also lower and dim the opacity of objects that you want to not be as strong visually. And you can also scale. So we know that you can resize things on Fluid Engine, but we also wanted to allow you to break and stretch things so that you can have a lot more fun.
Why don't you show us how it works?
Yeah, I'd be happy to. I'm going to add a classic button, and where you'll find these new transform properties, they will live at the bottom of every design tab for our blocks. Like right now it's out for buttons and shapes, and I wanted to have this button kind of like sit in between those two sections. We could do that too now. You can see that right now this rotation is kind of like pivoting from the center. If I were to change the anchor point, let me just move that up and select the bottom left. Now you can see I've like kind of changed the pivot point. So just making sure that you can kind of transform, stretch, and almost break the content on your site, but in a way that you might find fun. And if I wanted two buttons, now we also have the right-click menu that you just saw me breeze through, where I can directly right-click on that button block and then just copy it. Now I'm going to demonstrate some of the new transform properties on the shape block. So I'm going to add a block. I'm going to add the shape. Let's move it down here. I'm going to choose a circle, set it to a small stroke, and again, you can see the new set of transform properties that are available for you to play with. Stretch it in the X direction a little bit. I'm actually really excited to see what Circle members, what y'all do with this, and hopefully you discover even more or new ideas as you're building on Squarespace.